Hi, my friends. Let's draw the weather together. It's time to draw something sunny. First, let's draw a big, bright sun. Now, under the sun, let's draw a happy flower, standing in place. And don't forget the green grass. When the sun is out, we say, sunny. Let's try drawing a rainy day. First, draw a fluffy cloud up high. Now, 1, 2, 3. Raindrops fall down. What do we need when it's raining? Yes, a bright umbrella. Yellow and orange. We did it. The weather today is rainy. What's next? A windy day. Let's draw a tall tree first, strong and brown. Now some green leaves all around. The wind begins to blow, and the leaves go. That's it. It's a windy day. What's next? Yes, a cloudy day. Let's draw one big fluffy cloud first. Now some smaller ones below. Here's one more fluffy cloud. There's no sun, just clouds all around. That's right. It's a cloudy day. Brr, what's the weather now? Yes, it's a snowy day. Let's draw a snowman first. Now, add eyes, a nose, and little stick arms. Snowflakes are falling. 1, 2, 3. Wow, it's cold and white. It's a snowy day. You did it! You drew 5 kinds of weather. Sunny, rainy, windy, snowy, and cloudy. Great job, little artist. Want to draw it again?